Okay, let y equals f of x be the solution to the differential equation dy over dx equals x over 2y, with the initial condition of f of 4 equals 3. We want to find the exact value of y when x equals 5. Find the exact value of y of 5. So we can't use any Euler's method. We're going to have to actually solve this exactly. And the way we're going to do that is by using a tool called separation of variables. So when you do separation of variables, pretty much the goal is to get all of your x's and dx's on one side and all your y's and dy's on the other side. So this is pretty straightforward to rearrange from here, right? I'll multiply my dx to this side and I'll multiply my 2y to this side. So I end up with 2y dy equals x dx. All right, now I'll integrate both sides. So on the left, the integral of 2y with respect to y is just y squared. And the integral of x with respect to x, the integral of x with respect to x is just x squared divided by 2, right? Inverse power rule. I increase the exponent by 1, and then I divide by it. So y squared equals x squared over 2, but then I can't forget to add this plus c. So this is the general formula for my differential equation. They give me this initial condition, which I can use to solve for c. So look, I'm starting out with x equals 4 and y equals 3. So that means 9 equals 16 over 2 plus c. So you can tell that c is equal to 1. So this is the equation. This is like the solution to our differential equation. So now if you want to find the exact value of y of 5, now all you do is plug in 5 for x. So y squared equals 5 squared over 2, which is 12.5, plus 1 is 13.5. So y is 13.5, which is 3.6742. That's answer choice C. The other way you could do this, and once again, a lot of people like the calculator, a lot of people think it's a waste of time, but I'm making the video, so I might as well show both ways. So if you go to your calculator, you go to calculus, and then at the very bottom, you see D, which is for differential equation solver. Click enter, and this is on the CX2 where it gives you all these things. I will also show how to type it out on just the regular CX, but it's honestly very much the same. So our equation that we're given is y prime, and by the way, to get the prime, you go to this little thing right by the G, and it's this symbol right here. This is equal to x divided by 2y. My independent variable is x, my dependent variable is y, and I know that y of 4 is equal to 3. I'll click OK, and actually, it typed it out exactly like you would see it on the CXCast, like on the just the regular CXCast, not the CX2. This is how you would type it out. By the way, to get the and, you actually just type out the letters A and D, and then it'll turn out like that. There's not a special place to find that. You just type A and D. And when I click enter, you see it gives me the exact same equation as before. And then now, if I wanted to find y, I would plug in 5 and solve for y. All right, well, that's about it. Hopefully you learned something. If there's something you want me to go over or think I skipped, please leave a comment. Well, if you learned something, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.